Well, good morning, YouTube. It is Tuesday morning, 7/23/24, July 23rd, at about 4:30 in the a.m. Boy, got done with the torture session, went to the grocery store yesterday, and it's not good to walk into the grocery store when you're hungry. I went in for like 2 things and came out with 20. The good thing about it is I walked into a good deal on some meat. I got 0.6 of a pound of yellowfin tuna for $5.40. So, yeah. I don't know if that's a good deal over in the Philippines, but for here that is. Yeah, and I actually managed to get home, and you ever have one of those days where you throw a meal together and it just turns out right? Yeah. Salt, pepper, a little bit of butter, and some olive oil, and a little bit of lemon. Yeah, and it turned out so good. So, yellowfin tuna, yay. Oh, a dang good meal. Corn on the cob, some mushrooms and onions and pepper sauteed together. Turned out delicious. So I had a very good meal yesterday morning. Got a couple pieces of other stuff to go for this morning and tomorrow, but yeah, it is always a good day when you goof and well, I didn't goof, but I went in and it just tossed it together in like 10 minutes all told. Everything came out and sat down and ate, and whoa. I did a good one for my cooking. Yeah, I enjoy cooking fish. It's one of the reasons I like, I like eating fish, and it's one of the things I'm actually better at doing. But I keep it simple. I'm not trying to get crazy on my fish. Anyway, I hope everybody's having a blessed day and enjoying the start of yours. I'm coming toward the end of my week. Yeah. But yes, they tortured me over at the therapy, and actually, my neck's actually feeling good today. So that's something good. And let's see, managed to get on and look at my market account, and with the ones that I got, I'm looking at about $19 a month income from my account. So, yay! Now, hopefully, these new ones will turn out to be good. Yeah, I added a little to my other ones, my original ones, and bought a couple of new ones. So, hoping this works out. I was doing some research and found another one that I think I'm going to add the next time I get some money in there. But yes, when I get home today, I'm going to try to run the mower, and then I'm going to run out and carry a couple of things out and carry them over, see if I can get them put on consignment and make some money from them. Some days it just is a long day, and today's going to be one. Haven't had much time to check what was on the YouTube channels much. took and, like I say, I was studying what's the market, the stocks and ETFs and such I was looking at, and that was a good thing. Good morning. Anyway, guess just went by. Anyway, managed to, like I say, find a few there that will be helpful, and I'm gonna be adding to that probably Monday when I get my next paycheck. Trying to, build build things up. It's important to build things up. Try to help people improve their lives. Talking to somebody yesterday about trying to be a better person. I don't know if it did any good to talk to him or not. But then again, kind of like that parable, seeds. You never know when the seed's supposed to grow. You just know that you throw it out there, and if it lands in good soil, and grows, yay, you have a good plant. If it lands in bad soil, you have a weak plant, and sometimes it doesn't grow at all for a long time, and then all of a sudden sprouts many years later, and you just never know. So hopefully there was a seed planted, and this turns into being a good thing later on. But not my job to judge whether it does good or not. I'm just supposed to throw seeds. That's what you do. You toss them out there and hope hope that it does something good. Seeds are kind of like that. You never know. Some do, some don't. Some take some time to get around to it. So, yeah. Anyway, it's been a interesting day. Heard a friend's kind of sick, so ain't happy about that. Sadly, there's too many of my friends that are old and they get sick, and I'm hoping that this one recovers. We'll see. It is what it is. Sorry if I seem a little down. Don't have a lot of friends. And I need to make more. And probably need to make more young ones. And I consider Dave, my friend, he's like 42 or 43, something like that. He's a youngster. Most of my friends are old farts, older than I am. Maybe I need to start throwing more seeds out there and making more friends and seeing where it goes. I don't know. Live life, be happy. Don't let things not, stress you out. Why run around being sad and angry at the world that doesn't do any good? But it is what it is. Anyway, I hope everybody's having a wonderful week, a blessed day, and I hope you got to have a good meal today too. That's important. Anyway, I'm William from Williams, Philippines. Blessings to all. Later blessings, bye-bye. I'm Fish, and Fish is out.